You know how you can check your website's traffic in Google Search Console? Google has just made it possible to do the same thing for your Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube accounts. This way you can see whether people are finding your social media content through a Google search instead of just the app. Today I'm going to show you how to set it up. It's super easy. Hi, I'm Marta, creator of Accountabilibuddies and digital marketing consultant, where I help small business owners optimize their online presence. People don't only find your business by scrolling their social media feeds. A lot of them are Googling you, and your individual pieces of content like a reel or a YouTube video might be showing up in those search results. This new tool shows you exactly which posts are getting found on Google, what people search to find them, and how many clicks you're getting from search. That's incredibly valuable information for figuring out what content is actually working. So here's how to set it up. First, go to search.google.com and log in with your Google account. Then you're going to go to the left-hand side and click Add Property. And here, instead of adding a website, you can now add your Instagram, TikTok, X, or YouTube. Click Add and follow the prompts to log in and verify that the account is really yours. Once it's verified, it can take about 48 hours for the data to show up, so don't panic if your charts look empty at first. If you post on more than one platform, repeat this for each account. Keep in mind this only tracks clicks and views from Google Search itself, not any activity inside the app. So it's an add-on to your regular analytics, not a replacement. And since this connects through your login, if that connection ever expires, your reports pause until you reconnect. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more small business owners find this channel. And if keeping up with updates like this feels like a lot on top of everything else, that's exactly what Accountability. It's a community of small business owners where we cover social media tips and platform updates and meet weekly for accountability calls, so you're never navigating this stuff alone. Your first month is completely free, so you can try it out and see if it's the right fit for you. I'll link it in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.